Hi, Regina here. I wanted to show you something that I have on my computer here. I also showed it on Instagram. So I think you see it now. Yes, here we have it. 5 tips to help you pivot your career. And what could this be? The first one is very important, is to understand your worth. To understand your worth, you need to know your strengths and your weaknesses to be able to know what you bring to the workplace. Be an expert on your strengths. Communicate your strengths if needed. And avoid your weaknesses. Someone else has that as their strength, so no point putting down too much effort on weaknesses. It's just a waste of everybody's time. Understand your worth. This is the same within a business and also within your personal, you as a person, since weaknesses and strengths, you have it in both personally, but also in your company. So this is the same method. You use it on yourself and you use it within a business. Understand your worth, and you do that by knowing your strengths and develop your strengths so you get even better. And don't get sloppy and take it for granted that, okay, this is what I'm good at. You need to get even more skilled at it because it's kind of your gift, right? So identify your strengths. I have some coaching sessions that can help you how to identify your strengths as well. And I go more in depth in my coaching sessions, but I want to highlight this for you. And so you know what you bring to the workplace, and that way you know I bring this as a contribute with this to the workplace, and I understand this is my worth, part of my worth at the workplace. Really good idea. And if needed, you can need to communicate your strengths if you it's not notice what you're doing. It's very important. And the next step is, of course, kind of alignment with this, the last one, that you contribute with value. Identify your employer's interests. So this is kind of, what do the employer expect from me? What is their interest, their goals, and their vision? Show that you know by example in your everyday actions. Be interested in the company's words of values and know how to put them into practice in what you do. This knowledge will help you to your communication to resonate with them, because then they see they don't have to explain everything. Some things you have to use your intelligence to figure things out. So be interested in the company's words and values. What is expected of me at my job? So it is my attitude towards others and towards the company. It shows, since it's part of your communication, even though you don't say anything. Your communication is your whole behavior, even if you're silent. It's not just spoken communication, it's your body language, it's everything that you do that is part of your communication, and what you also bring to the workplace in terms of your interests. So this is also, if you want to have a career path, this is also very important that you contribute with value, what you do, but also your attitude at work. Engage with your colleagues. Actively engage with your colleagues at lunch and coffee breaks and during work meetings. Respond to comments, answer questions, and initiate conversations. This shows that you value their input and are interested in building relationships. Be open-minded to other people's opinions and include other people. This is very important. This is quite common that is the opposite. At many, especially large workplaces, there's problems in this area. So you can, this is quite an easy way to make a difference at a workplace. This doesn't mean that you interview people. That is not. It means that you don't ask all the questions. You have a communication is a two-way street, right? So it's not only you ask the questions, you initiate to conversations and ask and show an amount of interest in other people, what they say, their opinions, and so on. So social skills is very important, and you can practice to be better at it as well. Personalize your interactions. Take the time to personalize your communications. Show interest and mention a specific point from their presentation or previous conversation, and show genuine interest in their work or achievements. That is also quite easy to ask, okay, what do you do? I know, well, I work at that, this and that department. Yes, I know, but what do you do in everyday work? What in detail? Can you tell me more about your job? What do you do more in detail? That is a really good icebreaker if you're sitting at a lunch table and eating lunch together with complete strangers. You don't know them, so it's a good idea just to initiate a conversation. That's interesting. That's a good point, to be a bit friendly. You can join my mentorship program and to invest in your personal growth. And also I have coaching sessions to stay strong in times of change. So I both have business educations and coaching sessions. So if you take both of those, then it is the mentorship program, but it's also some more things included in the mentorship program. More information on my website. And in our coaching sessions, I will help you to engage in discussions and to share your insights and to help you to connect with like-minded professionals who also want to pivot in their career and understands that A players need A players. Never stop learning. So that is also, what is an A player? What is a B, a C player? I would say, if you don't care, you just want your paycheck and then you're out of there, and then you are just miserable for 8 hours a day, then you probably, a good idea is to try to change work or do something on your spare time that helps you to be more happy in life, and it's your responsibility. An A player or high achiever wants to develop as a person, likes personal growth, but also want to make a difference in their career. Doesn't mean that you step over other people. That's not what I'm talking about, since I say that A players understands that they need other A players as well. It's a team effort to run a successful business or project. You will be boosted for success. So check out more on my website. I can share that as well. The screen with my website, here it is, the English version. And it's reach life goals to become a strategist. I encourage you to put your dreams into reality, privately or within business. We help you to get clarity and get you going towards your goals in life and much more. And your mindset is your mental power engine that will take you where you want to go. So there is mindset coaching is much about attitudes, values that you will discover, get to know yourself more in depth, and also work on your strengths and see what weaknesses you have. Is this something that I need to reaching my goals, or if it's unnecessary? So we kind of identify and pinpoint and make a map, a structure for you, how to pivot within your career or within your business or whatever field you're in. So take a look here. You can see it's the pre-recorded business educations, mindset coaching, or self-leadership coaching. Is it? And you also have the mentorship program here. I also do management consultants assignments at companies, within companies. And I also have my book, so you can order my book there or Google it online. So I want to encourage you to really put down effort on personal growth, because everything starts with you, your habits, everyday habits. Check out my website and also my other videos, and give it a thumbs up, and please comment if there is an area that you would like me to make a video about. Have a great day. Bye.